Try to find time for us to get together tonight. I'm going to play you a couple of tunes. Let's get into it. Good. Let's get into it. 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 Let's get into it.
Happy Juneteenth, you guys. So today's Monday, June 19th. I'm enjoying my daily green juice. Just got the vlog up for you guys. And I'm actually about to start putting together the vlog for Friday, which is what we're filming now, but like doing the intro and stuff. So I'm gonna start doing that. I did not work today due to the holidays, okay? Clarence did work because he kind of just needed to determine, like, are you gonna have a long Father's Day weekend, or like starting on Friday, or are you gonna have a long Father's Day weekend leading into Monday? And so he decided to be off Friday, and of course Saturday. So anyways, we're just chilling. Like I said, I was off today, so I actually woke up, just did a little bit of household cleaning. Jeffrey is, that's what we named the RoboVac. I don't know if I let y'all know that, but his name is Jeffrey. He's cleaning the floors because I am getting ready to pull out my new steam vac. It's a Shark. Is it a 2-in-1? Let's see. I think it's a 2-in-1. Yeah, it's a 2-in-1 floor cleaner, like steamer. And because we're back to like no longer having carpet or anything, I wanted to get a new one. The last one I had was by Shark as well, but it was like one of their first generation ones. I got it when we were staying in our townhouse years ago. So I'm about to bust this out once Jeffrey notifies me that he is done with the floors. We did go out earlier today, and the kids got bubble blasters. Cutest things. But they got these, and Cam's is the blue one, Caden's is the green one, and then we got this big old thing of bubbles for them to play with either in the front yard or backyard. Either later on today or sometime this week. I'll be honest, it probably won't be at any point today because the sun has barely peaked. It thunderstormed all last night, which we did not anticipate. So yeah, the front and backyard is super wet, so I don't think I'm gonna be sending them out there, because when it rains like that, the mosquitoes are out like crazy too. And girl, the way they tagged my baby up the other day, I was just devastated. In the last vlog, I didn't get to show you guys the kids like Build-A-Bear thingies. They are back there actually playing with them right now. They're so cute because they come with a birth certificate. This one is Cam's, yeah, because he got chased. So we ended up, girl, Cam threw a whole, I edited so much of that out. Cam threw a fit when we got the actual bear, because at first we just got him a bear because he wanted to go, because they used to have like a Sonic, but apparently it was limited edition and they didn't have it anymore. Girl, he threw a whole fit. He was like, I don't want this bear. So we ended up getting him the Chase, the Paw Patrol Chase, and they come with these cute little birth certificates. So I thought that was adorable. I don't want to show y'all his ID number, but got him one. Caden ended up getting one as well. Of course, you know, he had to do his all big boy style. I think he named that dinosaur Travis. I was like, why you give this thing some grown man's name? But whatever. So yeah, they're actually back there, like I said, playing with these little Build-A-Bear things now. We're waiting on Clarence to get home. Tonight's dinner is going to be very quick and easy. Like, I don't know, we made new chicken tenders and fries, or chicken tenders and salads or something for the grown folks. Like, I don't have it in me to cook. Y'all know we grilled all over the weekend, so we just ate like the last little bit of it. Clarence took some for lunch today, and then I had a little bit for lunch myself. The kids had something totally different because, like I said, the barbecue is good and gone. So tonight, instead of me slaving over a stove, girl, I think I'm gonna do some chicken tenders and fries. The good seasoned fries. I'll make a honey mustard from scratch, but I'm not in the mood to be slaving. It's Monday and it's Juneteenth, and I don't want to do all that. So I'm gonna get back to just kind of like work and stuff. I have some things that I need to organize as far as content and things like that. Yeah, so I will check back in with you guys a little bit later. This is gonna be a weekly vlog, so I'll probably just pick up every day this week, up until like Thursday or Friday morning. Just to show y'all what a week is like for me. Like I said, if you are new here, I am Roya. I'm a working stay-at-home mom. It is me, my boyfriend, and our 2 boys. yeah, and I just share my day-to-day life. I like luxury, and I like fashion, and I like going out on dates, and I like hanging with my friends, and I just kind of like sharing a little tidbit of this, my life, my little corner of the internet. Nothing too crazy. I feel like I really started vlogging after I had Cam. That's when I got full-fledged into the vlogging, just because I had him at the top of the pandemic and I was on maternity leave and I didn't have anything to do. So I have just built a little community over here, and we laugh and kiki and have a good time. So if that's something you're interested in, click the subscription button below. I am going to get out of here and chill out before Clarence gets here. And if we do anything, of course, I'll check back in with you guys. Hey you guys, happy Tuesday. So I am currently on my lunch break. It's about 2:45. I am getting ready to make dinner. We're having spaghetti, salad, and garlic bread, potentially. I'm gonna see if Clarence can pick it up on his way home because I didn't have time to go to the store. While I was on my lunch break, I had some other stuff I needed to do as far as like YouTubing type stuff, emails to answer and stuff like that. So I kind of just chilled out and made sure the kids had lunch, which they just finished eating. But basically tonight I'm just gonna use some of my BOGO finds from Publix. If you are a family of about 3 or 4, or even if it's just solo dolo or 2 people, get up on that Publix BOGO. Publix on the outskirts is expensive, but that BOGO keeps you right. So these are BOGO finds I did weeks ago, but the Prego roasted garlic and herb tomato sauce that I'm going to use. Another BOGO find that I love from Publix is this Rumo angel hair pasta. And then I just chopped up some onions and some green peppers. Got my seasonings up here. Y'all, I've really been enjoying this refrigerator magnet system for the seasonings. It's just freed up so much space for me. But I'm gonna grab some bay leaves, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, onion powder, maybe some garlic and herb, like the seasoning, and then my Himalayan pink salt and fresh black pepper. And I'm gonna get it sauteed up. I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 2 to 3 hours and kind of just simmer, so that way it's ready for Clarence when he gets home. If he is hungry, he can go ahead and eat. If not, he can eat when we have dinner around like 7ish. But yeah, let me log back into work and I will talk to you guys later.
I need you right about now. I need you right about now. I need you right about now. Hey, hey. Read your body language, see we conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We taking turns with the play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah, yeah. Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you, babe.
Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. It is raining like really bad. It's about 2. It's 2:02 right now. Wednesday, like I stated. We had some housework done earlier this morning, so they got here at like 7:45. We had them, thank God, because it is raining like a mother, fix the gutters on each side because they were like weird, like the drainage was weird. And then they built some kind of situation like right in the driveway because we were also having an issue with drainage when it would rain. So they put a drain in the front of the driveway and then it like leads all the way around to like releasing out or something. However he explained it, that's what took place. So that's that on this good fine Wednesday. It is, like I said, raining. I'm completely over it. I've been working. Last night I made spaghetti. It was really good. Clarence took it for lunch. I actually had it for lunch myself. Cam is actually having a slice of pizza for lunch. Caden is in his room chilling and he's gonna have spaghetti for lunch. And then tonight I'm gonna make baked chicken thighs, white cheddar macaroni and cheese, and green beans, and we're gonna watch Sisters. That's all I got for the world. So I'm on my lunch break, or halfway into my lunch break. I say about 2:30. Those chicken thighs should be good and ready for me. Cam singing his new favorite song. Any hoodles. So what I'm gonna do is, like, halfway in my lunch break, I'm gonna season those chicken thighs, get those in the oven. Then mac and cheese is a really quick side, so I'll probably go ahead and start these green beans. That way dinner can be ready by the time Clarence gets home. If he's hungry, he can eat. If not, everybody in here leave me alone because it's Sisters Wednesday, okay? And we won't play no games. So That's all we're doing now. Like I said, y'all, it's raining so bad. It is just so drab in here. It's like, it's been a slow week too, because it's literally been raining periodically on and off. So let me just chill out on my lunch break, cook this dinner. I'm not gonna take y'all through a whole nother cook with me, because girl, I cook every single night except for maybe Thursday and Friday nights. But Sunday through Wednesday, I cooks. So let me just relax while I'm on my lunch break. I actually have a 3 o'clock meeting, so a meeting as soon as I come off lunch. So let me just relax, and I will check back in with you guys later.
Can't say no, I know you want it. If it's right like that, it's right like that. Kiss me so I know you got it. Sending chills all down my body. Right, yeah, this feeling so right. No one's been on both of our minds. We can have this all the time. Let's start with tonight. Ain't got anything to hide. You was acting all shy. Now your lips on mine. We crossed that line. Go and take your time. Slow down. I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's the nine little things I can show ya. It's right now. Feeling like it's waiting for ya. Slow down.
You could keep the pace like that. We could keep the shit laid back. You can get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? But you never had a nigga like that. We can take this when you wanna. We ain't gotta think too much, cause it feels so right. Got us feeling so right. Know it's been on both of our minds. We can have it all the time. Let's start with tonight. Ain't got anything to hide. You was acting all shy. My hands on your thighs, your eyes on mine. Baby, yeah. So take your time.
Slow down. I just wanna get to know ya. Come break me down. It's the nine little things I can show ya.
Show me,
It's
baby.
right now. Feeling like it's waiting for ya. Slow
Happy Thursday, you guys. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here. It's like 8:35 in the morning. I don't start work until about 10ish, and the kids are still sleeping, so I'm enjoying my coffee. You probably see the steam rising from it. Just made it. So I'm actually going to finish enjoying my coffee and then like get myself ready and dressed. It is raining. Go figure. I'm over it. So I am, these spam calls are unreal this morning. Anyways, so I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee before the kids get up and get myself together. I'm going to vlog over the weekend. I have no idea what we're getting into, but I hope you guys enjoyed spending this very rainy, very chill week with me. Another kind of like few days in the life. Like I said, as a working stay-at-home mom. So if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, y'all know what to do. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye, guys.
Hey, can't say no, I know you want it. If it's right